Today I'm in Lingxi Town. We're going to explore from the old town to the new district. Before we start, let me show you where I am staying. This is the cheapest hotel I could find in this area on trip.com. Only $7 a night. The facilities inside are showing their age, but the room isn't small and the landladies keep it really clean. Outside the window is a practice course for the Chinese driver's license test. Do you guys think it was $7? Leaving the hotel, I'm taking the Riverside Greenway to People's Park. Right now, we are in the old town area of Lingxi, so you really get a sense of everyday local life here. Just a quick background, Lingxi is the county seat of Cangnan. It's known as the southern gateway of Zhejiang province, because it sits right on the border with Fujian province. We're on China's southeast coast, nestled between mountains ridges on one side and the East China Sea on the other. Even though Lingxi is a town, it actually has a population of nearly 400,000. I've just made it to People's Park. The park itself is actually built right on a hill. The literal name of the hill is just Park Mountain. It's only about 51.7 meters tall. There's also a multi-story pagoda up at the top, but the doors are closed, so I won't be able to climb up. Overall, it's mostly a local park, where residents come to get some exercise or just go for a stroll. Walking down along this lush green path, I'm heading down the hill. At the bottom of the hill, there is a night market with street food and fun ride for kids. When the sun goes down, dozens of little stores come out and start serving up all kinds of snacks. Leaving the old town behind, now I am in the new district. There's another park here, Central Lake Park, and I'm going to take a stroll through this lakeside park. Compared to the old town, this area definitely feels much more modern. And right here by the water, that's the county government building. The festival lights are still up too. More people are starting to gather in the square now, because today is the Lantern Festival, so there are some events happening here. As the night gets darker, more and more LED lights in different themes are starting to glow. The fish lanterns are glowing, the trees are lit up, the bridge is shining, even the buildings in the distance are all aglow. And once it's completely dark, there's a simple musical fountain show happening. more people are coming to the square to join the activities, and the performance in the back is starting too. I decided to head over to the sports center nearby and take a look around. And even turned those round concrete barriers into sports balls. Let's take one last look at this view by the lake. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. It honestly means so much to me and really helps me keep making these videos. See you next time!